Hi guys, welcome back to another review. My name's Maria. If you're new here, I just started a channel. I'm new to YouTube. I'm trying to make it grow eventually, but for now we're doing reviews. This review we're gonna do the KFC Supergirl meal. Comes with a toy. So the meal consists of 3 tenders or chicken nuggets to get the toy, and it comes with the Supergirl cooler. It comes with the 3 sauces, and right now I pre-opened the Supergirl toy. I haven't looked at what I got, so you're gonna see what I got with me. And these are the bowl you can get. You can get Rudai, Lobo, Supergirl with a jacket, and Crypto. I am hoping out of all the 5 to get Crypto. So let's open this up. Even though it's already open, let's see what we got. Which clip did we get? We got Rudai, one of the villains in Supergirl. Is her front and back. They're basically back clips you can attach to your bag, purse, your belts, anything you want to attach, or if you want you can collect them. But we got Rudai. Now we need the other 4 for the collection, and we're good. So for this review, I am gonna give it a 5. I am a huge DC fan and Marvel fan, so this makes me really happy. So it's a 5. Bye.